Welcome back to the Ultimate Diecast Garage, where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this Lamborghini Murcielago LP670 SV from the brand High Rev Models. Now, this is the first time checking out the brand, so I'm super excited, but if you would like me to check out any more models from this brand, drop a comment down below. Jumping straight in, you can see the model coming on your standard black plastic base with the metal logo up front, or the metal plate up front, with the High Rev series and LP670 SV. You can also see it is numbered down in the bottom corner, which will also be on screen as well if you can't see that. With the model now fully unboxed, you can see for the price point, this is a really good model. The headlights are incredibly well detailed and really well proportioned for the model, and the overall paint application is also very good as well. If you do know, white is one of the hardest to get right. It's obviously all the little imperfections do really show, and there's absolutely none on this model, so that tells me the quality control is quite high. Unfortunately, the wheels are fixed in place on this model, but that can very easily be changed with a quick wheel swap with the two screws holding the base on underneath, although that is hiding the red caliper and disc behind the wheels, which is nicely detailed as well. This model does have a really cool feature in the fact that the rear hatch does open, revealing that beautiful 6.5 litre V12 engine, which, as you can see, is done really well, and you can even see the Lamborghini writing on the top of the engine, which is really cool. And you can see all the way through, all the way to the other side of the car. Obviously, all the way through, you can see my fingers and my hands on the underside of the model, which is just absolutely incredible. Obviously, this model just looks absolutely fantastic, and it's just one of those cars that was super iconic, especially with it being a limited version, being the SV. I think around 170 were made of these when they first come out, and obviously the SV being the Super Veloce, which is the track spec version. I'm sorry if I've butchered the name of the SV, but there you go. You can see this model looking very cool, and even in a diorama setting, this model looks really good as well. Not out of place in any way, shape or form. You can see the overall proportions are absolutely fantastic, and here you go. Here you can see another peek at that engine bay with some incredible carbon effect and even carbon detail on the underside of the rear hatch, which is just incredible attention to detail. You can even see the detail on the wing mirrors with the mirror decal, which is just the little final straw, which is just absolutely incredible. Obviously, overall, you can see this model looking absolutely fantastic. Definitely one I'm adding to my personal collection, as just look how good it does look. You can see the model doesn't look out of place at all next to figures and a lot of the cars from other brands, especially the likes of Inno 64, Mini GT, all the licensed brands. This model looks absolutely excellent in comparison, and that's detail and also proportion. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Will you be getting this model? Will you be passing on it? And is there anything they can improve on in your eyes? Let me know in the comments down below.